Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to completely remove comments in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document and take a paragraphs. Now we can see here these paragraphs we added a comment. Now we want to remove these comments, this text, go to the review menu and we can see here many options. We find and select the delete option. Firstly select the comments and click the delete option, and we can see here we completely remove this comment in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.